Hey, today I'm unboxing the Airpods Pro 2021. So after the Airpods 3 came out at the end of 2021, that meant that the Airpods Pro got a tiny refresh. Basically the case changed a bit. The case now features MagSafe magnets for charging, and also I heard, I'm not actually sure if this is correct, that they have like a bit of water resistance, like a tiny bit. Just the case, the AirPods themselves have it and had it before, but I think the case also got it now. So we have the lovely little box from Apple with this nice pull tab, still in plastic wrapping. I think some of the other Apple boxes now don't have that anymore, but as always, it's a very lovely unboxing experience from Apple. There is not much else to say when it comes to the unboxing experience. It's lovely as always. After opening the box, we get this little greeting designed by Apple in California. There is probably some leaflets in there. I don't think they include stickers with AirPods, which is a bit disappointing, but honestly, who cares? The only people that care are the people doing the unboxings. But maybe for a lot of people, these leaflets are very useful when getting to know their product, and I have to say that these leaflets are very well designed. We get the AirPods themselves. They're in this little sleeve, which is very simple to get out. And yeah, that's the AirPods. Very shiny, very lovely. I already got some dust on there just from opening them, but that's fine. It's a bit of an old design at this point. I think they came out in 2019, but I think it's amazing because it's very small and it fits into your, like, the tiny pocket on your jeans. It fits there, which is amazing. Then under the bottom part, this is kind of like hidden, I would say. Even though it says it there, you get the cable. It's a USB-C to Lightning. It's still with Lightning, no USB-C on the AirPods themselves, but that's fine, I think. This is probably meant for people who have iPhones, not for Mac users or something like that. Then you get different tips. I would definitely suggest people who get these to try all of them out, because I would usually get medium tips for all my other AirPods or like earphones, but especially for AirPods I tried small ones for the first time ever and they fit so well, which was honestly very surprising for me since I never tried small ones before. And yeah, definitely give that a try if you think they don't fit super well. I want to show you the simple setup animation, but I'm recording this with my iPhone, so I have to get my iPad for it. So that's the famous thing that everyone talked about when the original AirPods first came out. You open the box, wait a bit, and you get this lovely pop-up on the screen with AirPods Pro Connect. And then you get some super simple instructions or features. One of the great things about AirPods is that the stems, you have to actually press them, which is amazing. It's much better than just normal touch controls. And then it shows you the charging situation, and that's it. That's how you connect them, super simple. Now the special new addition to these is the MagSafe Charging, which is really lovely. Even the ones before had wireless charging, but I find MagSafe to be a very good use case for these because it's so easy that they snap into place. This is not an original MagSafe charger. It's one from Satechi. I'm not sure how to pronounce them. It's a bit cheaper, but it has the same magnet situation, and you can see that it holds on very well there. And I think it's really nice. I really enjoy putting it on the charger. It's much easier than plugging them in normally, and I feel like this is one of the greater applications of wireless charging. Then you have the AirPods themselves. You probably saw these a million times on the street. I like that they have the shorter stem here, and the amazing thing about these is that the stem, you have to actually press it, which is different to everyone else where you just touch it. And having to press the stem to control media or go from ANC to transparency mode is a really good way to control the AirPods, since it eliminates any like unwanted accidental touches. When it comes to the fit, it's very subjective. For some people they don't fit super well, but for me personally they fit really nice, so it really depends. Thank you for watching the video. I really hope you found it useful, and yeah, enjoy your AirPods if you decide to buy them.